Is the Lucky Habit app really a high-paying health tracker, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it myself. And in this Lucky Habit app review, I will give you an inside look and will show you both the pros and the cons, and I'll show you some very important details I found out while testing it, so you know if you should join this or not. So before I log into the app and show you how you can use it to earn, let's start by going over the basics of what it is. If you are on the Google Play page, because you can only download it for Android devices, just to make that clear, if you are looking for ways to earn on iOS devices, I will leave a link in the top corner to a video I have about that. But as you can see, they call it a health tracker. And in the description, they say it is an easy to use habit tracker that helps you build a positive routine and life-changing habits, and then you can earn at the same time. That's how they sell it anyway. The idea sounds amazing, but let me just reveal right away that I kind of disagree with this claim, but I will show you more about that later. For now, let me just log into the app and then you can see how it works. So I have now logged into Lucky Habit, and it can be a little bit confusing at first, to be honest, but where this whole healthy habits or changing your lifestyle, positive change, and all this comes in is that you have this clock in where you need to clock in and do different things. If I go here, I can see the different goals of the day. You see they have all these, like, where you need to clock in and then wake up, drink water, watch news. Like, why is that necessarily a healthy habit? You know, this is just random what they put in here. And then I can clock in and I can earn coins whenever I do that. And then supposedly you can take your coins out. We will show more about that later. Some of these, yes, it's fine, but it's just like random things they put on here. And every time you click, sometimes not even when you click that, ads pop up, ads in many cases for really spammy different other apps and things like that. It's really annoying, but this is why they say that they help you to track health. But you know, not really if you ask me, but I'll talk a little bit more about that later. This is one of the ways you can earn. Whenever you do this, check in once in a while. You can see right now I can check in by stretching, so I would just need to click there to clock in. And you can see then I can get 4 times the reward if I just watch an ad. Sometimes when you then just cancel, you will still see an ad or be forced to watch an ad. Sometimes when you just click an ad around here, an ad will pop up. But you see, then I earn and the coins go up here. And then later we'll talk about what you supposedly can do with these. But that's one way of earning. There is one more way to earn, so let's go over that also. You can see at the bottom there's something called reward. And that is where you can find all these spinner points, lucky scratch, funny slot. So it has nothing to do with a health tracker. This is just a way for them to get you to watch more ads and think that you can earn more. So you just need to click to play there. It spins around. You get some coins. You see again, you get 1,000 coins, and I can get 5 times that if I just watch an ad. And that's all of these here, just random like that, random spins, so they can get you to watch more ads. Nothing to do with a health tracker. Weird thing to put in a so-called health tracker. But anyways, what you of course need to know also is how can you get paid. So let's go over that next. So at the very top, you can see the coins you've earned. And if I click here, I can see my supposed payout options. You can see I've earned 70,000 points. It's only around $1. But I would still say, like, it's still a fairly good rate for watching ads compared to what you in general can earn for watching ads. I also have a video about the best ways to earn by watching ads. I'll leave a link in the top corner to that if that's what you're interested in. But it just still takes a really long time. And in my case, and I have seen from different countries and different people, that the payout threshold, how much you need to earn and which rewards are available, it looks like that differs from country to country. But for me, I can only choose Amazon gift cards, and I would need to earn 2 million coins, $35. I have no idea how long this would take, how many ads I would have to watch for this, but I would have to spend days and days watching ads just to ever get close to that. So it will take a lot of patience, to be honest. But that's not just my experience. Let's just close down the app and then also talk about some other experiences I have seen people have with this app. So if you go to the Google Play page, you see there are other reviews also, and one person has actually says that he did cash out $1. So it does seem like some people can. I had to earn $35 to cash out, which I'm probably, I have no idea how many weeks or months I would have to do that, and I just have better ways to spend my time because I know there's so many great ways to earn money online. So why would I use something where I have to spend like months to watching spammy ads for like a few dollars? So not worth it in my opinion. Anyways, but this person is also saying that he's noticing that he get less and less coins to watch the ads and things like that. So that's one thing. You don't know when you get closer to the payout threshold. Will they suddenly just give you a lot less? So you just have to watch more and more ads. Another person also said, every single time you try to do something, you have to watch a video and it makes it difficult to use the app. And she simply uninstalled it. There's a lot of experiences like that. So my personal opinion when we talk about whether it's worth it or not is no, it is not worth it at all. It looks like you might be able to cash out, but honestly, I would not waste my time trying to do that because they try to make it look like it's a health tracker that can help you to build healthy habits. It has nothing to do with that, in my opinion. It's all about having an excuse to get you to watch ads, and then they think that because there's a lot of these like walk to earn apps. I also have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner that try to actually help you build healthy habits. And they think, oh, this is a trend. Let's just say that we're a health tracker, but it doesn't track anything. It actually helps you waste time because it just shows you ads over and over again for tiny amounts of coins that it will take you months to ever potentially get paid. So to sum it all up, I just don't think Lucky Habit is worth it at all. If you're looking for ways to earn some extra money from your phone or in general, then there just are so many better and more effective ways where you also don't have to just keep closing down spammy ads. So if you're looking for ways to earn effectively, I will leave links below to some ways to earn from your phone that definitely are way better and that where I have been paid and where I do not feel like I'm just constantly getting frustrated by spammy ads. So personally, after having tested it and after recording this video, I will right away delete it from my phone. Also, one thing I forgot to mention at first, when I actually first installed it, it asked for permission to manage my phone calls. Why would it ask for permission to manage my phone calls? Of course I rejected, but why would it ever ask for that? Like I would definitely, not allow that. That's just my personal opinion. But overall, there just are no positive things about Lucky Habit app in my personal opinion. And since so many people asked me about it, I wanted to test it and share this with you so you have my perspective and then you can decide for yourself whether you think this is for you or not. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.